YouTube's becoming a very toxic place now, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like people are demanding story times. Oh, child, the lies. These days you don't even need clickbait. You just have something interesting to say and people click into it. Drama, click into it. Like, you just make things deeper than it actually is and people click into it and like, oh.
I ain't the one that you wanna talk about. I ain't the one that you wanna run your mouth about. You should know that you shouldn't play with fire.
Welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Vanessa Black and I'm here with another video. I know it's been a while, guys, and I mean I've been trying, but obviously I've been sick. Okay, like I'm so ill, it is disturbing, but it's not gonna stop me. It's not gonna stop me from recording, and it's not gonna stop me from going out, honey. It's not gonna stop me from having fun. Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to AO for the soul, for making my new intro. I love it. It's just everything. Hope you guys enjoy my new intro as well. Thumbs up before you continue watching this video, just to show some appreciation for me. And I'm just gonna get straight into it. It's pretty much a get ready with me for a official night out, and I will be talking about YouTube. I'll be talking about the hardships of YouTube and the rewards of YouTube, because I have been about up and down with YouTube. Like, it's fair to say I have been up and down with YouTube, period. It has been, there have been good times, there have been hard times, not gonna lie. And YouTube is becoming that universal thing now. It's becoming the thing that everyone does, which is great, like, which is something that I think everyone should be doing, because there's so many advantages. But it's not easy anymore. It ain't easy as it used to be. And I sound so disgusting, it's making me want to stop recording, but I'm not going to, because this is for you guys. So yeah, if you're watching this and you're thinking, what's YouTube like? Maybe I want to have YouTube. Or how's it been for me? In case you're just even wondering, like, I'm about to tell you. There are people on YouTube that put so much into their content, yeah? So much. What's my frontal looking like? Because there's so much people on YouTube, underrated people, that put so much into their videos, yeah? And they don't get niche. They don't get nothing. And I just feel like, why not? And I think I figured out why. Obviously YouTube is changing, the way everything else in life changes, and you have to kind of adapt to. But it's like, no, some shit is just like, no. YouTube's becoming a very toxic place now, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like people are demanding story times, beef, this, the latest gossip, beef. Honestly, it's boring now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm one of the people that tune into it sometimes, but it's getting a bit boring, I'm not gonna lie. They just enjoy negativity, they just enjoy tuning into the shit that is pretty much negative. And then obviously when people see that, they want to be like, oh, how can I get a bit of clout? How can I do this to pop? How can I bring false behaviour in order to get people to tune in? One little bit of Twitter beef and all of a sudden I'm gonna create a YouTube channel, tell a story time, like, no. I mean, yes, get your coins, but no. Hell, what happened to fruitful videos where people can actually take things away and be like, YouTube helped me, I learned this from YouTube? Where are them days going? Like, seriously. Nowadays it's just, have you heard this, that? Have you watched thing about it? Like, nothing coming from it, nothing at all. And people, you get some people which are just batty eaters. Ridiculous. Second of all, yeah, I think I've been guilty of this twice. Clickbait. Oh my god, I remember a period of time when people were clickbaiting. Clickbaiting, it was scary. Oh, child, the lies. These days you don't even need clickbait. You just have something interesting to say and people click into it. Drama, click into it. Like, you just make things deeper than it actually is and people click into it and like, oh. Like, seriously, it's like, fuck it out. But there is still good YouTubers out there that are still winning and still going ahead with their old content that is still banging to this day. And I think that's because they just stayed consistent with what they were doing and really graft and put so much thought and hardship into. But really and truly, and then you get the few people that will moan about it. Don't moan about where's all the good content gone, where are people that actually make productive videos. Don't complain, because they are out there, but you are feeding other things. You're feeding into other things, so don't complain, because they are out there. There's a lot of YouTubers, but we're not all the same, honey. So don't speak to us, don't speak about us as if we're all one, because trust me, we ain't all the same. Like, just when I see comments like, oh, YouTubers this, that and the fifth, first of all, state names with your chest and don't put us all into one category, because we're not the same. And it really it puts others to a disadvantage, because then everyone has their perception of YouTubers as a whole instead of individual YouTubers and what they do. Like, if you don't like a certain YouTuber for what they're doing, or YouTubers, state their names. Don't be like, why are YouTubers this and that? Because that ain't me, honey. You can't speak for everyone that does YouTube. It's just not how it is, really. And it just makes us all look bad instead of like 1 or 2 people looking bad. Like, seriously. I sound so unserious with this cold, but I am very serious right now. Do you know, I'm not even gonna lie, sometimes I feel like, although I'm working hard, I haven't worked my hardest. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I could be doing much more, and I think 2020 is my goal and my time frame to achieve much more. And I'm just saying that because obviously when I'm uploading my videos, and obviously I have to go on my channel to get like links and stuff, and I scroll through all my videos I've ever made from like 4 years ago, and I can reach the end of the page like quickly as well. I can get to the first video I ever made, and it's just like, I felt like I have released loads of videos when in fact I haven't, because I've gone to other YouTubers and I'll be trying to find their first ever video and their old videos, and I'm scrolling. Like, I definitely need to put in more work, but I don't want my work to go unnoticed. Like, it's annoying when you're doing something and your work goes unnoticed, or it feels that way, but keep going. I want to keep on going because I enjoy it. Like, I like getting ready, doing my makeup and talking a bunch of wass. I like that. Like, I just think to myself, if I give up now, imagine if like the next day or next week I've just missed out a massive opportunity. I'll be gutted. I will never underestimate or doubt for a second that I don't get support, because I do, and I see it. I really do. I see all the support and the love. And where's my thingy? I saw a really amazing tweet today, yeah, that was just, oh my god, I did my makeup wrong. Oh my gosh, how can I do that? Guys, basically, I have been contouring before I do my fucking highlight, and I fucking forgot. Oh fuck. Do you know how much better I found contouring before highlighting? I fucking ruined it. Yeah, I saw a tweet that said, no one is obliged to support you, so appreciate the ones that do. And that is just facts in a bag, because no one is obliged to support. We wasn't like, no, that's no one's job. Do you get it? It's no one's responsibility to support. It's just not it's not mandatory, it's not compulsory, but you do get people that do, and they're the ones that obviously you have to appreciate because they didn't have to. It's like it's like when someone does you a favor, they don't have to. By all means they can say no, but the fact that they did, it's like someone giving you your time, giving you their time. They don't have to, but the fact that they did is, you know, has to be appreciated. Like, cause they genuinely didn't have to. So that's the way I think, and I think it's so much more peaceful. Like, it's so peaceful, and yeah, it's just peaceful that way. And I know who supports me on YouTube. I love reading comments. Like, it's one of the things I do every day. When I open YouTube, when I open YouTube, just touch my phone in the morning, it's the first thing I'll go to is YouTube and the comments. It's just like seeing what people think, their thoughts. It's amazing. Do you know why I'm upset? Because it looks so good when I do my contour before foundation. Oh, when I do my contour before highlight, it looks so good. But never mind. Never mind. Guys, you know what I really love this day though? I like the fact that society's changing to a place where it could be your moment at any time. Like, you might not blow today, you might not blow tomorrow, you might not blow next week, in a couple months, but you will have your time. You can blow tomorrow. You never know when it's coming for you. Ooh, every time I try to do a wing liner, I can never see what I've done. It's like it's never bold enough. Ooh, this face is looking flawless. Are you mad? Another thing that I say YouTube obviously is the views. Like, oh, I just looked into my light. I feel blind. Obviously everyone is looking for the views, everyone's looking for the views, looking for the P's. Cool, but there's one thing you always have to remember: views can easily put you off. If you post and you ain't getting the views, the likes you would like it can put you off. And one thing I always say to myself is, are you doing this just because, or are you doing this because you love it? You're going to easily give up because you're not seeing the results you want to see. I feel like you truly have to enjoy your craft to be good at it. Like, if you don't enjoy YouTube, there's no point. You just will feel like you're just doing it for the sake of it. Oh guys, I'm going for white eyeliner look. Yes, it's hard to be positive when the negative is getting more attention than the positive you're bringing, and you're just like, hold on a minute. So you're telling me that I should be like this for me to get likes or views or whatever? No, be yourself. There's nothing better than being yourself. Alright, best part. Let's get some highlighter on, honey. Oh, I know I look like Rudolph with this highlight on my nose. No one's gonna miss this in the clubs, I'll tell you that for free. No one's missing this glow in the clubs. But yeah, another reward with obviously YouTube, you get to collaborate, get some free stuff. It's cute. Like, recently I've got a lot of like free clothes and clothing companies contacting me because they're seeing my little hauls and stuff. And I think it's nice. It's nice when companies believe in you, because then obviously it gives you more content to create. And yeah, it's just basically collaborating really, which is nice. And that's the opportunities that I don't want to give up YouTube for. I don't want to give up YouTube for. Give up the opportunities for YouTube for. Yeah, those are the type of opportunities I don't want to let go. And you know, obviously by quitting, ever wanting to quit YouTube, because that's not going to be the case. Like, it's just crazy because God just made you so perfect and you don't even realize it. When you do too much, it just takes your whole body and face and everything out of proportion. Like when I feel like I overline my lips, I feel like I look draggish. For some reason I feel like I look kind of a little bit clownish, so I like to stay between my actual lip line and then maybe go a tiny bit over my cupid's bow. But I think I'm starting to look kind of cute, guys. Ooh, it might just be a good night after all. I'm about to ruin it with a bit of blush, I don't know, but we'll find out. Yes, Vanessa, if I start my period tonight, I will just collapse, point blank collapse on the floor. I can't do it, because when my period comes, it's not a joke, you know, it's not a light thing, it's a we here thing. So that's the only thing that's like worrying me tonight, starting my period. I'm not even worried that I have a cold. If I start my fucking period, let me tell you, I'm gonna be on that floor. It's not me. Yes, my breasts are looking juicy. Push up bra, guys, push up bra. It makes me I look like I had implants over the muscle. Look at me, that's funny. Fenty Beauty's confetti lip gloss, and this pink here is a combo and a half. I thought I had time. I can feel my belly. I'm so scared, guys. I can feel my belly acting up right now. I'm so scared. But yeah, YouTube has its ups and downs, but you have to just remain positive and keep on going, and remember who you're doing it for. Like, don't lose yourself in all the clout and all the money and whatever you do, really, whatever business, whatever your hobby is, whatever you want to achieve in your life. Don't forget the reason why you started, and don't lose yourself, because a lot of people do, and it just becomes fake and orchestrated, and yeah, people just lose themselves. Ooh. Right, I need to comb my hair and then I'm ready to go. I can't believe we made it. I can't believe we made it. On a more positive note, obviously YouTube is an amazing place, and one thing I love about YouTube is, though people spend their energy and time creating, it's something that stays there forever. Like I just amazing to the fact that your content is there forever, no matter if you choose to come back or if you take a break. What you've created is going to be there and is building up as time goes on. It's nice when people recognize you and be like, oh, you helped me do this, or I watched your video and this that. It's like the best feeling. That's what I'm saying about when I read you guys' comments. It's just like a feeling I can't describe. Honestly, the first thing I do when I wake up, check my YouTube comments. It's been so positive. Means a lot to me. But yeah, away from YouTube, I am on Snapchat. Before you guys leave this video, my battery's gonna die, so I have to cut it short, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Before you leave, make sure you thumbs up and like the video, and make sure you subscribe. I upload weekly, and I just love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for all your support. Hope you like this look. I'll probably insert after I finish curling my hair completely, before my camera stops recording. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.